Now we are looking at few axioms that are related to probability. That is, they form the base to build other formulas basically. So recall what is axiom? An axiom is a foundational statement or principle that is accepted without direct proof as the base for further research and arguments. So we are going to learn few statements or principles on which we're going to build other formulas on. These are considered to be observationally true. So we're going to observe it and we'll tell, you know what, this is true. So we're going to accept that, and on that we're going to build other formulas. Okay. So this set of formulas was given by a Russian mathematician. So you can read the name. I'm not able to. Okay, let's look at the axioms. Non-negative. So any probability, the event of any probability is either 0 or more than 0. So it always has to be non-negative. It has to be normalized. That is, it has to be 1 or below. The probability of sure event is 1. That is, the whole sample space is 1. So as a whole, the probability of any event is always greater than or equal to 0, but lesser than or equal to 1. Okay. Now, the third axiom is additivity. If you have mutually exclusive events, what's mutually exclusive events mean? Events which have nothing in common. Okay. If you have mutually exclusive events, okay, the probability of either one of them happening is just the sum of their individual probability. What does that mean? A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Right? So these are your three axioms. So as a whole, this is what is summarized in your books. If S is your sample space and omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, all of this till omega n are your elements, then the probability of each of this is between 0 and 1, and the sum of all the probability combined will be equal to 1. Okay, for any event A, the probability of A will be sum of, each of this or one of this or combination of this and so on and so forth. So basically whatever we just kind of listed over here, it's indirectly done over here. So if you don't understand much over here, that's why I kind of dissected it and I have it across. So what is that we are learning? Axioms. Axioms are the foundation on which we build the other proofs on. The statements or principles which we just accept without actually mathematically proving it. Right? So the three key axioms are that probability has to lie between 0 and 1, and the probability of two mutually exclusive events are probability of A plus probability of B. The union of them is so. Okay. So for now, you guys write it off. How to use it, how is that we are going to make use of it, and where is that we're going to make use of it, that we'll see.